Gladness Marthin. I expect to do my master's in soil science and land management. Soil helped me to interact with different people from all aspects of life. Here, you see this kind of sloped land. Rainfall has a very big part to change the landscape. The runoff do take the topsoil down there. So the physical properties, but also the chemical properties of the soil is affected by the rain. Sometimes there could be some very abrupt change in soil properties in even a very few meters.
Sharifa Juma Kuziwa, mzaliwa wa Tanzania, kijiji cha Mbuzi. Miaka miwili kulikuwa kuna ukame zaidi, lakini mwaka huu kidogo tunashukuru Mungu. Tumeasilika kwa wakati wa mavuno. Mahindi yanakuwa yanaoza sana kwa sababu ya mvua zilikuwa nyingi. Ili kukabiliana na hali ya hewa inapokuja, kwa sababu mvua zinaweza zikaja nyingi. Kama shambani kwako hujaweka terasi kama hivi, kuweka mbolea, kutengeneza terasi, udongo mzuri unavutwa unaenda bondeni.
He's digging a profile to see the kind of soil fertility in different soil layers. It's the main thing that farmers do use to tell about the status of the soil. Soil color, soil texture, soil structure, root distribution. Sometimes soil colors do relate, sometimes, not always, sometimes relate with the soil fertility. These are properties I'm telling you when you just do it right at the field, before even taking the samples to the lab, where you can see some different ranges of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, because they also vary in different layers.
My name is Scholastica Morrison. I analyze all the soil samples and plant samples from researchers, farmers, and our collaborators. They have a cup of tea in the morning. Next thing is to switch on my machine and start scanning my soil sample. This is a near-infrared multi-purpose analyzer. It is like a robot, very accurate, very fast, and cheap in cost. Every day I get new trays. I can scan about 200 samples to 300 samples per day. Some of the farmers, they complain that they get a very, very low yield. Everything depends on soil. If the soil have low nutrient, they will get very low yield.
Nguvu nazo, uwezo wa kulima nao. Kwa hiyo nina uwezo wa kufanya kazi za mikono kama kilimo. Tena kilimo ndio kilichoacha watoto wangu wafike hapa. Wakati tunapata hela kule, sasa tunarudi huku kulima msimu wa vuli. Wataalamu walikuja pamoja na mimi mwenyewe, sasa nikajiunga, nikaenda nikajaribu.
Most of them have been promoted to do terraces purposely for conserving the soil and water. They do it as a group, so they make it easier. The owner of the farm just preparing the lunch. It's not a free lunch. And if you're not working, then you won't have that lunch.
The farmer will not understand if I tell him that this sample contains 2% nitrogen. He will not know what to do. We normally advise them which type of fertilizer to use, the rate, and when to apply this. They appreciate, and their life change sometimes. You can say that now they have like a good house, they can afford it to pay school fees, because if farmer can improve his or her soil, he can get the good high yield.